Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about when to change your laser bed size inside of Corel Draw. I'm not a big believer in doing this, but one of my mentors, Roy Brewer and Randy Allen from Engraving Concepts, changed their bed size to their work size. And in this particular case, it would be a big help. Just last night I made a video about how to make a macro to send this file. I'm writing on the edge of this plaque, and it's very little room. It's only 0.875 wide and 6.6 3/8 inch long, and needs to be in the center. And I made a macro to send this file to the top left corner of my laser bed. Well, then I started thinking about, I'm fixing to run out and run the job, and just a little insight here. I'm doing just 16 today. I'm waiting on the other names. I've got each name listed, or I've got each name numbered, because of the fact that you only get one chance at this. And I'm going to run a vector test on every single one block because they're a little bit off to make sure everything's perfect. So I want to know, like, my very first job I run will be number 1. It'll be this red vector line around my block. Well, number 2 will be the number 1. I could actually start off with 2, I guess. And that would probably be pretty smart. Then, so I just know that I don't do one twice and mess up a block and be very difficult to remake these blocks of wood that my neighbor's taking time to make. It can be done, but rather not. So what I did, I just changed my size. And if you didn't watch that other video, I have the size of the block is the size of this hairline. Well, I had 2 hairlines, an inside and outside, and then I would grab the inside one and run the job, and it's going to, with my lid open, it's going to trace around the inside of the job, making sure I'm up and down and left to right centered. But I started thinking about it. I just put the numbers on. I thought, you know what? I've got these grouped together. Why not just change my bed size to the size of that red hairline? And then all you have to do is take number 1 and hit P on the keyboard and put it in the center of the page. And there's my border around my page. And the reason I don't run the red hairline, because it will not trace these 2 lines, because the laser thinks it's right on the edge of the page, and it'll trace the bottom and the right hand line, but it will not trace these 2. So you need that other hairline, and it'll go all the way around that block. And then all you do is create a home on the edge of that block, because I had to make a jig for it, but I put my home like right there. Anyway, so there's a reason to change your bed size. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.